Next to that, we had this one loop over here, which we haven't played yet, which we made ourselves, and it's just a hi-hat groove. This is what it sounds like with everything on.
As you can hear, there's a lot of movement going on in the whole track, but that's with the effects we've done on it.
Yeah, so let's
take it down.
Let's get them off and then go one by one what we've done there. So we put on the meta flanger
by waves. It's a really cool tool. We use the classic phaser preset. What this does, it gives movement and makes the whole hi-hat groove, makes it more vivid and stand out in the, not stand out, but it gives a nice little effect on the whole drum groove. So.
It makes it come alive, you know. It makes some movement in the track. It's just
it
one
also
of those.
pans a little, I think.
It just makes what a phaser essentially does. It just sort of resonates all the frequencies back and forth to create a movement. So we just put it on, got the preset, the classic phasers preset, and put the mix on 40% to really get the own signal as well, but get the movement on there as well. So this is what it sounds without. Really makes it come alive. So next to that, we got the LFO2 on there. What we've done with this one is it's a preset. We wanted to create an unnatural kind of rhythm which we wouldn't not come up with by ourselves. So we just put it on there, and it sounded nice. It sounded like different, so we liked it. This is with, and this is without. So you can really.
What's so cool about this preset is as well is like it has a little smooth button on the right bottom, yeah, there, and this prevents of the track clicking. So if you cut it too roughly, you'll hear clicks in the samples.
And this is
this actually smoothens all the transitions,
yeah,
and make sure you won't hear the nasty clicks when you're editing.
Yeah. So next up, we got rid of the low frequencies. You can see there's a lot of unnecessary frequencies in there. You won't even hear it making a real difference, but they're there to just try to get rid of them. Next to that, we had the direction mixer on there to make it as wide as possible again. So it's just a filler, and it's just one of those kind of effects things to have in the whole groove.